Hey everyone, today I'm taking a look at the 70mm, or at least I think that's what it's pronounced. It's the 70mm dash cam. So this is the Dash Cam Lite. So they do have a Pro version, which shoots at a bit of a higher resolution. But this particular one shoots at 1080p. It's a dash cam, so for your car. It has a Sony sensor inside, so it should be pretty good. Now it comes with a 2-inch touchscreen. It has an inbuilt battery. So that means you can use it in the parking mode where it stays on while the car is parked. So if anyone does bump you while it's parked, it will actually save the footage for you. So let's get this thing open and see what's inside. Okay, so immediately when you unbox it, you get presented with the dash cam itself, which is housed in this kind of plastic here. There it is. This is the screen, so you got to peel that off to get to the screen. And this is the actual camera. So they have a cover on the camera just to protect it while it's in transit. There's some sort of dock area here. What else we got? We have a user guide. This looks like a cable of some sort. Yes, it is a USB-A to micro USB cable, so disappointed it's not USB-C, but it's a pretty long cable, as you can see, so you could route this maybe all the way to the back of your car. Finally, what have we got? We have a cigarette charger, so I'm guessing this is going to power your dash cam. And what is this thing? I am not sure what this is. Some sort of removal tool? Now, along with the dash cam, it also comes with this piece here. Now, it says it is a GPS mount holder. So according to their page, it's actually a GPS module. So this will help you record maybe the location of the footage as well. So let's get this thing open. Okay, it's quite small. So this piece looks like it docks into the back of the dash cam here. So it looks like it just slides in like so. And then when it does slide in, it's got some adhesive here. So I'm guessing this is the actual mount that you use to mount the dash cam to your car. So it's kind of bad that it's an adhesive. I wish it was like maybe a suction thing, but we'll see how this goes. I'm going to put this in a car and let's go for a drive. Right, lol jokes. So it turns out I can't just put in the car. There's something here about installing dash cam. So you have to stick this electrostatic sticker on your windscreen and then you stick the adhesive onto this thing. So that's interesting. I haven't seen this before, but we'll go ahead and do that and see what happens. Alright, in the car now. First thing I'm going to do is attach this electrostatic sticker to somewhere around here in the middle. So I'm going to start by peeling the back off and do my best to put it in the middle. Alright, it's on. It's a little bit of air bubbles, but it's okay. So it turns out that the dash cam comes with a regular mount and also that GPS mount. So the GPS mount is a lot bigger, so I'm going to use the GPS one. So let's get that attached to the dash cam. Right, it's attached now. I'm going to peel this back end off. And on it goes. Alright, let's go. Alright, so what you're watching right now is the raw dashcam footage straight from the camera, and as you can tell, this is about 7:30 p.m. at night, and this is a good test of the low light abilities of that Sony sensor. And as you can see, it's working quite well. The bumps and stuff have been absorbed very well, so the image has been fairly well stabilized. Now in the top right corner, because we have that GPS unit, it's also got the actual location of the footage and also the speed the vehicle is traveling at, which is pretty nice. Now it has a parking mode as well. So in the parking mode, basically what it seems to do is if it detects motion in the view of the camera, then it will record a 1-minute clip. Now you gotta keep that in mind, because if you have a small SD card, every time a car drives past or someone walks past, it will do a short clip and it can fill up your SD card rather quickly. Alright, so overall this is a super affordable dashcam. It gives you very acceptable 1080p quality footage, and it even comes with an app so that you can view the footage via local Wi-Fi as well. So if you are in the market for a dashcam, check these guys out. All the links are in the description below. And that's about it for this video. I hope it was useful, and thanks for watching.
Please format SD card. The SD card is damaged. Please change the SD card to continue recording.
Yeah, I never figured out what this thing is for. No idea.